So, guess what? A new leak just dropped about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and if it's legit, this could be a game changer. We're talking about a possible 1-inch camera sensor, insane 50-minute flight time, and AI-powered tracking, all packed into a drone that still stays under 250 grams. But before we get too excited, let's break down these leaks, separate fact from speculation, and see if the Mini 5 Pro is worth the hype. First, let's talk about what's staying the same. The Mini 5 Pro, at least from the leaked promotional image, still sticks to DJI's golden formula. Ultra-lightweight, compact, and packed with pro-level features. Keeping the weight under 250 grams is a big deal since it helps avoid extra regulations in many countries. That alone makes it a solid choice for beginners and content creators alike. Now, on to the upgrades, and trust me, they're massive. The biggest one, a potential 1-inch camera sensor. If true, this is a serious jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. What does that mean for you? Simply put, better low-light performance, more detail, and cinematic quality footage. If you create content for TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube, this could be the ultimate travel drone for crisp, professional-looking shots. But DJI isn't stopping there. The leak suggests a 50-minute flight time, which is a huge leap from the 34 minutes on the Mini 4 Pro. That's nearly a 50% boost. If accurate, this means fewer battery swaps and more time in the air capturing epic shots. Pair that with a 25 kilometers transmission range, and it sounds almost too good to be true. Now, about obstacle avoidance, this one's a bit tricky. The leaked image hints at LiDAR sensors, but we can't actually spot them. What we do see are omnidirectional vision sensors and 2 black sensors, which likely help with navigation. There could also be downward vision sensors with LED lights, possibly for better landings in low light. But one big question remains. Is there an infrared sensor? DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, so we'll have to wait and see. Another exciting feature? AI-powered tracking and even audio recording. DJI seems to be pushing for a more autonomous flying experience, making it easier than ever to capture smooth, cinematic footage with minimal effort. If AI-assisted flight becomes more advanced, this could be the best smart drone under 250G we've ever seen. But let's be real, all these upgrades won't come cheap. While there's no official pricing yet, it's safe to assume the Mini 5 Pro will cost more than the Mini 4 Pro. The question is, will these upgrades justify the price hike? If the 1-inch sensor, extended flight time, and AI features live up to expectations, this could be the best mini drone DJI has ever made. So, what do you think? Would these upgrades tempt you to buy the Mini 5 Pro? Or are you sticking with the Mini 4 Pro for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future drone updates. Want to see how the Mini 5 Pro stacks up against the competition? Check out this next video on your screen now. Rock it!